After that, you can click install Zorin OS in here. Then we can select our keyboard layout. I choose for English United States and click continue. Okay, in here I don't want to update and install third party, so we can click continue in here. In here we can using partition to just erase this and install Zorin OS, or if you want to make a manual partition, you can click this. I want to using this erase and then click continue in here. This is for our location. You can select you want. I just click continue, and this is for our name, for example. Then this is the password. Please be careful for this. Okay, for example, no swear. Okay, then I want just make the password. Wait this process until done, and after that you can restart the operating system. Type your password here, and this is the Zorin operating system. You can using the Zorin OS for all device, especially for Zorin OS Lite. Hope this video helpful for you.